Catalonia was one of the first territories to have a circular economy strategy back in 2015. Since then, different policy instruments, including support funds and financial lines to company, research and technological center and municipality, has been developed for the government to encourage a circular and climate-neutral economy. Among them, it's remarkable the role of the innovation hub Catalonia Circular, a meeting point for companies and other entities to showcase best practices and collaborative projects, which some of them will be visited during the Circular Economy Hotspot in November this year.
Circular economy is a new scenario that is going to bring to the economy a lot of value and is going to create three positive impacts. The first one for the planet, because we are going to bring out innovative products that is going to help to reduce pollution and to be sustainable with the environment. Then for profit, because this economy will bring us to new business model and new scenarios of business that are going to generate economic value. And then for people, because among all the things I've said, we're going to create new jobs for people that are going to bring out this circular economy. So that's the best positive impact that the economy could have, and the economy will be circular or it won't be.
A couple of years ago, our founder Marcella Hansch went on a diving trip to Cape Verde and she was attacked by something. But it wasn't a fish, it was a plastic bag. Since then, she couldn't close her eyes from all pollution around her, in the water and on land. And from this moment, from this image in her mind, she created EFRE.NRW, which is today a social business with a holistic approach combining technology and the inspiration of people towards a sustainable future. If we're able to close the loop and circulate used materials, we'll be able to strengthen our economy and protect the environment. We'll be able to give new meaning to what has been consumed. Waste becomes a resource.
With Circular Clockworks, we want to show the world what the potential is of recycled plastics. That you can bring them back in a very high quality products and not only downcycle them. Plastics are a valuable material and can be very, very versatile in its use and therefore also the quality of that use. And with the watch, I think we achieved one of the highest potential values the material could have, where we are the example for other companies to show what companies can do with their recycled, upgraded materials. I think that is, as far as a startup can go, is to inspire bigger companies to actually do the same and start using more and more recycled resources.
We manufacture these phone cases made from fishing nets and scrap aluminium. I am here to explain to you our initiative of taking back our phone cases to crush them and recycle them again. It is a really circular economy in action, and it is not only necessary for our planet, but it is also very interesting for all the companies.
This webinar will present successful transformation in chemical industries and startups to improve in circularity. These sectors provide sustainable solution and economic saving not only in the sector itself but also to other sectors and receptors of chemical products like plastics. Therefore, these sectors offer a wide range of opportunities and innovation in materials and processes in areas like waste prevention, plastic reuse and recycling, and alternative to common plastic uses. I wish you all a very successful webinar and matchmaking event during these virtual tours.